Celebrate every new upgrade to your home and live your best life with our best birthday deals. Transform your space with a 3-piece Everest Recliner Lounge Suite for only 22,999, or complete your bedroom wish list with a Restonic Vegas Queen Base Set for just 4899. Go to OK Furniture now. Valid until the 5th of July 2026. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
It is GTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is gitimes.co.za. Bafana nil, Canada 1. Umdlalo we-FIFA World Cup 2026 bipha Canada, Mexico nase-USA. Bafana bayabuya because we just lost a last 32 game. We were so proud. Last week and happy ukuthi bangene kwi last 32. But namhlanje kind of disappointed ukuthi we are knocked out, but super proud of the boys, the performance abasinike yona kule ndebe yehlabathi ka-2026. Benibukele lo mdlalo ke nomuntu osesukwayinxiba la jersey Bafana Mr. So legend Bafana legend Orlando Pirates all time leading goal scorer. Mr. So bantu kubulisa Mhlekazi kunjani?
Shane ngibulise Mr. Nkewu, ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise chairman, ngibulise Bobo Caruso. Ngibulise namhlekazi omhle.
Mr. So
Ungasubhubha ngecawa.
hi legend.
Ngibulisa nemakhaya, cela support njalo iDisk TV. Ngizobe njengoba injalo ngijike futhi.
So
Shane,
masingene kuyo masihlinze Mr. So singene phakathi sibeke inhloko ecaleni, sibeke amaqatha ecaleni, sithathe amathumbu nazo izinto ziphakathi sizinike abantu abangomama badile nazo.
Shane, you know, before I can go to the game, my son said something to me today. I've learned something from my son today. He said, when you try, you fail. You get disappointed. And then when you try, he said, no, when you try and you win, you're happy. When you try and fail, you learn something. And Shane, well done to the boys, well done to the coach. To be really honest, I just want all of us to be honest. We never thought we'll come this far.
Yeah.
Really, to be honest, we were like, yeah, let them go and play, and we know we're gonna come back early. Everyone was like, we're gonna come back early, but yeah, it happens that the boys have created a history, and I'm proud of the coach and the boys. I think Shane, you can only go as far as this roof. You cannot go beyond that roof. That's the nature of things. It says to us, in terms of the football that we've got in South Africa, we can only go as far as this level. You know, but beyond that, it's difficult because you could see, Shane, tactically, we're not that good. Physically, we're not that good. And when it comes to creativity, Canada, they had an upper hand, and we it seems like we didn't do our analysis very well against Canada to say who's their key man, who start the moves, who finish up, how do they finish up, and all of that. And with them, they did their job.
Yes, Mr. So it's like you read my mind because bendisakanye kulo ndawo ukuthi xa ujonga iCanada ujonge bona ujonge iSouth Africa uyabona ukuthi ngabantu abayenzile ihomework yabo nge-players zethu from how they pressed even i-defense yethu abantu bebatarget you could see ukuthi they were not targeting kakhulu uMbokazi because I think they knew ukuthi he's physical, he's good. They were targeting Ocon, but naye Ocon stood his ground. In midfield you could see ukuthi benza sure ukuthi uyaya plays more of as a back pass. They made sure ukuthi uTebza bayamrasha ukuthi enze ipass. That is why we saw uTebza senza misplaced passes. You saw even front three yethu ukuthi they had no chance. Maseko had no chance. Apolis Mahopa had no chance. But Tina Mr. So xa ujongile besitargete kanjani iCanada? Did we target iCanada? Did we come to umdlalo namhlanje siyazi ukuthi besiyothini namhlanje?
To be honest, Shane, we just went to the game like we did against South Korea because we thought they're not gonna they're not gonna go and study us and see in terms of our strong points and weaknesses. And I think even if they will say they did study Canada, but by the look of the game, there's no one element that exposed the Canadians in terms of defending or forcing them to play route one or directing them to say let them do the build up, but we know that that one is not good enough with the ball. Then we allow that one to get the ball and then we squeeze. Things like that they do work. And when you look at them, they did their homework very well. Look at Masego, they make sure tight. Tight. You mustn't turn. If you have to make a foul, make a foul. You mustn't turn. And then what they did, they said, this one is a no 2-1. If we pick him very tight, we don't allow him to play, then they can play. Then let's allow this one to be free. Stoll. And Stoll was always free. I was showing Ubo to say, look at Stoll. He's joking alone. Look at Stoll, he's joking alone. And when you look at Utebza, when he drop back, he's coming with a man. They put a man on him. He goes up front there to attack in the attacking zone. He's got a man. He goes wide. He's got a man. But now, here's the thing, Shane. I don't know how our coach find it that really was not good enough. And for me, I think where we didn't have something to give was on the left side. I think if maybe we put Ulontuzana early or we put Jaden Adams because we can see that Utebza, they may mark him. So who else can control the ball? Who else can do that build up from the back? It's only Adams that can do that. Yes, Umbata can do it. I like Umbata, but I think at that moment, because I knew that he's not going to take out Stone. So put Jaden Adams, because Jaden Adams can also do the very same work that Utebza does in terms of collecting the ball, in terms of covering the defense, in terms of also advancing to play a forward pass and also support. But yeah, our coach, I think he didn't read the game very well because when he took out Ulontuzana Urele, then we were like, we look like we're not going anywhere. There's no creativity. There's no support. There was like nothing. Yes, so Apolise, he did got those chances where he took a shot, but that's not enough.
Yes, football, Mr. Tso. Kwexesha sikhoyo sinabantu abazi-analysts.
Yeah.
Abantu abazoyi-review igame, watch igame while it's on. Ke sibone kanjalo even ibhethu Premiership or even lapha kwi-World Cup.
Yeah.
Ufumanise ukuthi kwi-technical team there's about 10 or 12 people besides the coach ne-assistants zakhe, but there's other people who are watching i-game on the information, data, whatever, analysts, coach.
Yes.
Bafana, do we have those people? I know, Uguti, I think we have, I think it's the Supermali, he's also there.
Yeah.
I think before the World Cup, we roped in an analyst, I think from Golden Arrows was Kukun, I just forgot his name.
I think it's
But do we have abantu with high quality? Bafana.
You know, Shane, I respect the guys. They people are saying they good in that, they're doing very well in that. But sometimes when you need to look at the level, as you just said now, to say, okay, let me look at him in the level of doing this job, which team is he working with, and where they are in terms of the league or the achievement. And then that's, I think, when you do that, then it will show you that these ones, they are the best. Because when you look at their team, for example, I'll make an example with Sundowns. Sundowns, I think they've got the best analysis. They've got the best because when you look at how they interchange, they change in terms of playing, how to convert from defending to attack, how they manage the game when they're leading. It helps, and you can see from there to say they've got a good analysis. But yeah, the guys are there, and I don't know, but I still believe that they didn't do enough in terms of preparing ourselves for this game, because we've never really at any point tried to expose the
opponents.
okay, if you can even ask me now to say what are the weakest points, who was the weakest link of Canada? I can't tell you, because we couldn't even show one. Because number one, Shani, when you can control in the midfield, you find a way to say, okay, in the midfield we can win. But if we can play in the midfield, can't we use the width to play? You know, we struggle here, let's carry the ball, and then let's give the wingers, let them find solutions, because here today it's not working. But we couldn't even see that. When we make changes of putting Ulontuza Numbata, putting Moremi and Arenas, yeah, there and there, but it was not enough. But nevertheless, yeah, Shane, look, the boys, they did well.
Yeah.
They've created a history. It never happened to South African football to see our national team go thus far. And yeah, I mean, players have went there. Definitely they've learned that if we think we big,
Masivale Mr. Masivale esiba ne World Cup si concluder namhlanje. Just nje umzuzu your quick summary of the World Cup yethu nje from first game against Mexico up until now. How would you summarize nje our overall performance in FIFA World Cup 2026 in just under a minute?
Shane, I think the boys, they've went there, they've learned, they've gained experience. Yes, we've learned. We played against Mexico, we played defensive, and then we lost. We played against Czech, where I think the boys, they tried to come out of that shadow against Mexico, where they showed us those glimpses there and there to say, no, we can do it, you know. And then against South Korea, I think they did well. You know, they did well, and we won the game. But comes to tonight's game, I think it didn't work according to the way we wanted, because we rely more on individual than sometimes to play as a team and find those combination play. Because when you look at how we play, there was some moment, especially where Apollo had the ball, in terms of him playing that through pass to Uluntuzana Umahopa. He wanted to go wide, you know. So those combinations, sometimes we need. Look at how Canada they play. They created chances. Sometimes, Shane, you don't need to build up from the back. Sometimes you need 2-3 passes to get to that final third. And that's what Canada they were doing. Every time they get the ball, it's 1-2. The third one is there forward. It's always giving us a problem. And to tell you that, we need to know from now to say, each and every game that you're going to play, they will study you, they will play against you. And if you're not going to study them and try to expose them in their weaknesses and respect them in their strong points, you're always going to be exposed.
Mr. So, thank you so much for your analysis, my good sir. Bafana are out of FIFA World Cup 2026. And vengo betwa ke Canada ngenxa kwelinye kuyimbandi yesikhova. Siphumile siyabuya back eMzansi Africa where we belong. From myself and Benedicto Vilakazi, thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.